there was a cheaper option on the market. This is an old property, as you probably gathered. It was originally built in 1867. We moved here 45 years ago. I always said when I was working, I'd love to be able to sit back because we've got a fantastic view at the back. It'd be great not to have to work and be able to enjoy the garden and everything else that goes with it. I'd never heard of anybody getting this work done. So I looked to see, and there was a couple of companies popped up that could do it. One company never got back to me for over 2 weeks, whereas LTI I had done on the phone within about 48 hours. The way it was handled from the start was so professional and gave you confidence. And even although there was a cheaper option on the market, it wasn't one that I considered because of the professionalism that had been shown right from the start. From start to the job was finished has went like clockwork. If you were told this was happening, that was happening, it happened. And Paul and Jez, the two of them were first class. There was no mess. Everything was as it was when they arrived. Really good. From the start was so professional and gave you confidence. The windows are up to date now and they look good. And to quote the next door neighbour, I've looked at it and I've now got window envy. Just go for it, because it's well worth it, and it's a damn sight cheaper than replacing windows, especially when the windows weren't needing replaced. Without a doubt, yes. I've said that to everyone I've spoken to, because over the period of time I've spoken with Don, I've spoken with Cameron, even the boys in the workshop, when I've phoned in and they've answered the phone, everyone has been so pleasant and professional.